How to lose weight without trying hard. 3 weight loss hacks that anybody can do. Are your shirts and pants starting to feel a little too tight? Are you struggling while putting on your bathing suit? Regardless of your motivation or your reasons, if you've decided that it's about time to make a change, but the thought of depriving yourself of food makes you cringe, you can follow these 3 simple weight loss hacks that don't involve dieting. Number 1. Walk more. You can easily lose weight if you lead an active lifestyle. However, if your schedule doesn't permit you to do so, simply adding more steps will do the trick. Get yourself a pedometer and walk more until you reach around 10,000 steps per day. It's good to have a pedometer with you because it will serve as a constant reminder of your goal and will also motivate you to achieve your target every day. Throughout the day, there are a countless number of ways of how you can walk 10,000 steps. You can walk your way home, or to the grocery store. You can pace while talking on the phone. You can take your dog out for a walk, or you can take the stairs instead of the elevator. Number 2. Get enough sleep. There are several studies that show the connection between lack of sleep and obesity. However, a recent study from the University of Colorado found that insufficient sleep could affect your weight in just 5 nights. According to the co-author of this study, Kenneth Wright, Ph.D., who is the director of the Sleep and Chronobiology Laboratory of the university, those who had a 5-hour sleep at night across the workweek experienced an increase in weight of almost 2 pounds. Insufficient sleep can mess with your metabolism and encourage you to eat more. Hence, ensuring you're getting a good night's sleep is just as important as engaging in physical activities and maintaining a healthy diet. Number 3. Doing contrast showers. Lose weight by raising and lowering the temperature in your shower. Once you're done washing and shampooing your hair, increase the hot water temperature in your shower until the temperature reaches about 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Leave this running for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, switch the shower to cold, allowing the water temperature to reach 73 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Leave this running for 40 seconds to a minute. Repeat this procedure 3 to 5 times, and finish with cold water to constrict your blood vessels. Contrast showers will not only help you get rid of extra weight, but will also help prevent illness, such as arrhythmia, hypertension, and obesity. There are a lot of fad diets today, which promise people that they can shed hundreds of pounds rapidly. However, these usually involve depriving yourself of food. If you want to keep yourself healthy and slim for the long term, it is best to make healthy lifestyle changes, such as those discussed in this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.